Hi there, Farah here, and you're watching Filipino VA Guide's VA Tip of the Day. And today's VA tip is... Number 1 is web research. Now, kung virtual assistant kayo and nag-umpisa man kayo in web research kind of task, alam nyo na ito yung pinaka-boring na trabaho na for sure mababurn out talaga kayo. Sino ba naman hindi mababurn out kung wala ka nang ginawa kundi mag-research kung ano yung pangalan, ano yung contact number, ano yung email address, ano yung website, ano yung Facebook, Twitter, Diyos ko, lahat na ata hiningi ng client. Nakaka-burnout talaga siya. Number 2 is yung article writing. Alam nyo, ang blog writing hindi biro yan ha. Especially pag pinagawa ka ng client ng at least 8 to 10 articles a day. Diyos ko, sira ang utak mo kung ano man ang isusulat. Buti sana kung iisa lang yung topic na sinusulatan mo para sa client mo. Usually, ang kalabasan, super random ng topics. Nahihirap magsulat kung ano ba dapat kailangan sabihin sa mga articles na to. Diba? Number 3 is yung search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization or SEO is very important sa kahit anong website man out there. Yung nga lang, it's very time-consuming and sakit sa ulo. Kahit ako, ginagawa ko yan sa Filipino VA Guide and it's the most draining kind of work ever. Aminin nyo na, SEO will easily burn you out if you don't watch what you're doing or kung wala ka man lang rest time or rest break. Now, these are the top 3 virtual assistant jobs that will definitely burn you out. So, thanks for watching Filipino VA Guide, VA Tip of the Day, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.